I need to see a badge. Sir,
What the hell happened out there?
Sir.
There are thermal cameras all over that paddock. She did not just disappear.
It must have been some kind of a technical malfunction.
You're not watching. She marked up that wall as a distraction. She wanted us to think she escaped. A highly intelligent alien.
We have $26 million invested in that asset. We can't just kill it.
This men are gonna die.
300 meters to the beacon.
You need to call this mission off right now.
They're right on top of it.
Call it off right
You
now.
are not in control here.
Blood's not clotted yet. It's close.
What is that?
That's her tracking implant. She clawed it out.
How would it know to do that?
She remembered where they put it in. Evacuate the island.
We'd never reopen.
You made a genetic hybrid, raised it in captivity. She is seeing all of this for the first time. She does not even know what she is.